Let's hear it.
So look at this handsome guy. They started from this guy over here.
All right.
My name is Isitoro Oroa. I am from Kalena's Polynesian Ohana. This is what we do. We do Polynesian shows. We do fire dances, luau shows. We perform for private luau like birthdays, graduations and stuff like wedding and everything. Anyways, also we are Kalena's hut. We do a lot of food and everything. And I wanted to say thank you for children to come and try some. I hope the children you will like it.
Thank you. It looks amazing.
It tastes amazing.
All right.
And who's that beautiful young lady behind you?
This is my best friend Ella.
Hey, my best friend Ella. It was a pleasant meeting you. Where you guys want to taste?
Giving them a tour, the North Shore tour.
Yeah.
That is the best chicken I've ever had.
Thank
Oh
you.
my god.
Thank you.
Yes!
Guys, we finished snorkeling at Shark's Cove. I felt like a 6-year-old and I never wanted to leave the water. They had to drag me out. That didn't happen. I was actually out of breath. But we stopped at a food truck. We got some amazing shrimp tacos and some chips and salsa. I saw some chickens. If you know me, I love chickens. I want chickens, but I can't. It's not in my place.
Hi vlog! Welcome to our house. This is our porch. This is our little like breakfast nook. Right there is my patio. And now, come along. Come in, welcome home.
What is it?
Oh.
First try.
Statue tour. We got this guy. I mean, the vibes here are just amazing.
Chat, take your shoes off.
Yeah, chat, take your shoes off, guys. Seriously.
It feels so good.
Welcome home. Smells like soy sauce. Slightly.
Hello, nice to see you guys.
Oh.
Okay, so we have cabinetry, fridge,
Oh, yes.
sink,
Yep.
stove. No, the glass is on fire. Oh! Insert me with fire on glasses.
I be doing that shit too. I'm like,
I have a puzzle. She's square. Living room.
so this is my room. I have my pets and accessories here. I'm not fully unpacked, which needs to be fixed because my roommate comes tomorrow. So, yeah. So let's move on to Lydia's room.
Today I rescued a cockroach. Saved it.
It was doing parkour in my shower. Parkour. It was up here, fell off, fucking did a backflip, did a front flip, then went on the wall, bounced off, and then right into Julian's hand right here. Dead. Guts everywhere. Let's go. So this is
Lydia, this is your room, by the way.
Lydia, by the way, this is yours. It's hot. I just flashed a titty there, so be prepared. Uh-oh.
He doesn't know. Should we scare him? Okay, moving along. Anyways. Yes, back in the living room. We got a TV. Yes, sir. We got Ella's room. Ella, by the way, this is your room. Cute. Anyways. The bathroom. Bathroom. Hi. Hi, vlog. Yes, I got this candle today from Wally World.
Yep.
Gorge. Shower. Trash can. Gorgeous candle. My room. She's a wee bit of a mess. I got my fan going. So this is my room.
Did you bring this from home or was this your?
I did.
It's so cute.
Shout out Alyssa. Shout out all my friends. My lanai. Oh, yeah.
This is my bed. This is where we sleep
This
together.
is where we sleep together.
Oh, whoa.
What'd y'all do today?
We went to the gym. I got a gym membership.
Got a spicy new camera?
Got a spicy new camera. I did. And then we made spam musubi from scratch.
Is there any left?
There's so much left. Do you want to do a taste test on camera? Okay.
Let's go.
Can you turn this way, please, for the vlog? Good stuff. Would you pay
First time
$2.99 for it?
Yeah. This is what's up.
So thick. So much rice.
Yum. What would you rate it?
9 out of 10.
Yes, sir. Yo, what you cooking up? What you cooking up? What you about to make?
Not really kidding. It's probably factual. He's test on camera right now.
It's actually so good.
Welcome back to the show, guys. Oh my god, insane taste test. This is the best drink that you've ever seen.
It's so good, to be honest.
There is no alcohol in it. Look it up.
Alright, let's get a taste test.
Fresco.
Oh, that's alcohol. Oh, what is this?
This would be...
Damn, you just made this?
Thank you.
Yeah, bro.
Okay. Yeah, dude. Actually, nah, that's you only got a little left.
What should I call it? Welcome to the vlog, guys. Good morning. We're going on a hike right now. We're missing one roommate, but then everyone else is here. So it's a good time. Obviously, you guys are coming along. This is Ella. Introduction, yes. Hi. Maddie, hi.
Y'all know me. Y'all know me.
Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Okay. Will I jump off cliffs in the near future? Yes. But the back of my leg, that darkened, so you can see by my face I'm done messed up.